Hi everyone, we are back with another Korean grammar. We will learn 을 띄을 때 grammar. This grammar expresses the time when an action occurs or its duration, and it means when or during. Then, how we use this grammar? Let's find out. Adverb or verb stem plus 을 띄을 때. 을 띄을 때 attaches after an adjective or verb stem. If our adjective or verb stem has 받침, we add 을 때. For example, 있다. 있다 means to be or to exist. It is verb stem and it has 받침. So, it plus 을 때 있을 때. 좋다. 좋다 means to be good. Our verb stem has 받침. So, 조 plus 을 때 좋을 때. If our adjective or verb stem has no 받침, we add 띄을 때. For example, 심심하다. 심심하다 means to be bored. 심심하 is verb stem and it has no 받침. So, 심심하 plus 띄을 때 심심할 때. 오다. 오다 means to come. 오 is verb stem and there is no 받침. So, 오 plus 띄을 때 올 때. Tip. When an adjective or verb stem has 띄을 받침, we remove 띄을. Now, we have no 받침. So, we add 띄을 때. 만들다. 만들다 means to make. Our verb stem 받침 is 띄을. So we remove 띄을 and add 띄을 때. 만드 plus 띄을 때 만들 때. Let's see some examples. 운동할 때 기분이 너무 좋아요. I feel so happy when I exercise. We have 운동하 plus 띄을 때. Because we had no 받침, we added 띄을 때. 시간이 많을 때 뭘 해요? What do you do when you have a lot of time? We have 만 plus 을 때. Because we had 받침, we added 을 때. Okay guys, that was 을 띄을 때 grammar. I hope you like it. Bye!